One-click video localization 11 creative full tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be diving into something that can completely change the way that you create content for a global audience. Video localization with 11 Creative. Now, whether you are a YouTuber, educator, or business owner, reaching audiences in multiple languages can drastically expand your reach, but traditional methods of translating and dubbing videos are time consuming, expensive, and prone to errors. 11 Creative changes all of that. With its AI powered one click localization, you can convert your videos into multiple languages, complete with accurate subtitles, voiceovers, and even lip syncing in just a matter of minutes. Now, in this video, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process so that by the end, you'll be ready to create content that feels native for any audience. So, to start off, it is important to understand what 11 Creative does and why it's so powerful. 11 Creative is an AI-driven platform that automates video localization. It can translate your script, generate voiceovers in multiple languages, sync them to your video, and produce polished output, all without manual intervention. Now, the platform also gives you control over voice selection, accent speed, and tone, ensuring the localized content maintains the same emotions and impact as your original video. Now, understanding these features will help you plan your videos better and make the localization process smooth and professional. So, first of all, what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and set up our 11 Creative account. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to elevenlabs.io/creative, and here you're going to simply hit sign up. Now, once you hit sign up, it's going to take you to this section where it says create an account. Now, you can go ahead and sign up with any email password that you want. I'm going to go ahead and sign up using my Gmail. So I'm simply going to use my Gmail and sign myself in. We're going to hit continue. And once we hit continue, what's going to happen over here is it's going to take us straight to 11 Labs. All right. Now, once we have signed ourselves in, it's going to onboard us into this section and bring us to 11 Labs. That's going to say choose your platform, switch between platforms at any time. Now, there's 11 Creative where you can create, edit, and localize content with AI, which has features like text to speech, voice changers, sound effects, voice isolators, studio, dubbing, speech to text, music, image, and video. And then we have 11 agents, which is to deploy and monitor conversational agents. Of course, I'm going to go with 11 Creative and hit continue. Once we do that, it's going to ask you your name and your preferred language. You can go ahead and skip all of this. How did you hear about 11 Labs? You can go with anything. I'm going to go with AI. Which one describes you the best? I'm going to go with personal use. Once that is done, it's going to bring us here where it's going to say what would you like to do with 11 labs. Now, of course, we want localization. So I'm going to go with image and video and click on continue. And now it's going to say do more with 11 labs and give us a few plans and pricings. I'm going to skip that for now. And it is going to be taking us straight to the dashboard from here on out. Pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Now, once we have gone into the dashboard, what we're going to do over here is we're going to go ahead and upload any video format for ourselves. Now you can go ahead and get started, agree with their terms, keep your things private. And once we're here, as you can see, you can start going into the generation. So once you're here, you can either go ahead and upload your very own video or create one right from here. And do make sure that your first localization, the video is of various formats. So make sure your video is ready and optimized for upload. And after doing that, 11 Creative automatically analyzes your video, detecting the speech or on-screen text. And the step from there is crucial because it forms the foundation for accurate translation, subtitles, and voiceover synchronization. So what we're going to do over here is either create a video from scratch, or what you can do is you can go over to the studio, go ahead to new blank project. Okay, so I'm going to open up this video project here, and what's going to happen over here is you're going to upload your video. So we're going to hit upload video, and from here go ahead and choose any video that you would like to upload, any video that could work well for you. So let's say I have this video right here. Now, once we upload this video has texts and this video also has audios in it. Now, what the people at 11 Labs have enabled their AI to do is it's going to detect the text and it's going to detect the basic, audio and text in it. So what it does is it can detect all the speech and text that is present in these videos. And what it does from there is it is going to create captions out of those texts. So you're going to hit transcribe speech for captions. And what it does is it starts transcribing. Now, you do need a plan for that. Okay, you can't do this on the free plan, so do make sure to have that for yourself. Okay, so after you have gone ahead and transcribed, what you can do is you can go ahead and turn that transcription into a translation. Now, if you don't have the plan, you can do it directly through any other AI as well, like Gemini or ChatGPT. Okay, it's not necessary that you need to do everything through your 11 labs. But once that is done, what you're going to be doing is you're obviously going to take those translations, add them in your texts, okay, according to whatever font you want to go with. And finally, use speech to generate different audios for yourself. All right. Now, you can go ahead and use different voices. And of course, you can go to explore voices and find different languages. Okay. You don't necessarily need English. If you want Arabic, you can get Arabic. If you want something like Cantonese, you're going to get Cantonese. So there's different languages to actually choose from, and it all depends on how you choose to translate it. And just like this, you're going to add in your voice, you're going to add in your text, hit export, and that is how your localization will need to be done. Now, obviously, I will say to fine tune and preview it because with translation and voiceovers, it is high time to fine tune everything. 11 Creative provides a real time preview letting you watch the localized video and make adjustments before the final export. So do make sure to check the subtitle alignments, the AI voice speed, and the overall pacing. Make sure it doesn't look generated. Make sure it looks well paced and looks human, looks like you actually created it and didn't use AI. So once you ensure all of those things, that's going to allow you to go ahead and make your video how it should be. Then you can also go ahead and use the audio native feature that they've given you, which is basically an embedded player that automatically parses the content of your text or speeches into multiple audios. But again, these are also things that you will need to get on the upper plans, not on the free plan. All right. So just like this, basically you can go ahead and get one video or one click video localization on 11 Creative. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. If it was helpful, do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll be seeing all of you next time. Goodbye.